हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो मैं आज जो आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ 30 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ फेब्रुअरी मंथ। ठीक है, मैं टोटल 350 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूँगी। ठीक है, बट हर एक वीडियो में 30 क्वेश्चन करके 350 क्वेश्चन को मैं डिस्कस करना है, हमको डिस्कस करना है। ठीक है, तो चलिए, आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ठीक है, और आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ओके, डेली अपडेट आपको मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे। ठीक है, सो हमारा फास्ट हो गया क्या? पॉप्स इज़ इंडिया फास्ट इंटेलिजेंट मैसेंजर। ओके, क्या हो गया थोड़ा सा। फास्ट इंटेलिजेंट मैसेंजर विच एंटिटी हैज़ लॉन्च्ड दिस फैसिलिटी? दिस इज़ पेटीएम मनी। ओके, सो ये सब मैं ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए थे। ठीक है, जो डेली करंट अफेयर्स के साथ मैं ये सब टोटली डिस्कस पूरा ब्रीफली डिराइव की थी। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं और नहीं बताऊँगी, ओनली क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। ओके, आपने नहीं देखे तो प्लीज़ जाके देख लीजिए। देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है, द वर्ल्ड लेपर्सी डे इज़ मार्क्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन व्हिच ऑफ दिस डे? दैट इज़ और लास्ट संडे ऑफ जनवरी। Okay, World Leprosy Day, that is your last Sunday of January. So next is, India has collaborated with which country to create 150 village of excellence in 12 state of India? Okay, India has collaborated with which country to create 150 village of excellence in 12 state of India? That is, answer is Israel. Okay, so next is our security printing and Vending Corporation of India Limited has set up 2 new bank note printing line. Okay, where are these 2 located? That is Nasik and Devas. Okay, the next is, Indian team beat which country to win bronze medal at 2022 Women's Hockey Asia Cup? Okay, so answer is China. Okay, so next is our FICCI has partnered with which company to support 5 lakh women lead small business across India? So the answer is Meta. Okay, so next is our, which of this day has been designated by the WHO as the World Neglected Tropical Disease Day? That is your January 30. Okay, next is, January 30 is observed every year as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, 2022 marks which death anniversary of the father of nation? That is your 74th anniversary. Okay, the next is our, which player has won the men's single title at Australian Open 2022? That is, the answer is Rafael Nadal. Next is our, who is the author of the book Fearless Governance? Okay, answer is Dr. Kiran Bedi. So next is, India has recently approved a digital work plan 2022 with which intergovernmental organization? So answer is ASEAN. Okay, तो थोड़ा edit से गड़बड़ हो गया मेरा. Okay, so next is, which team has won the 2022 Women's Pan American Cup Field Hockey Tournament? Answer is Argentina. Okay, so next is, State Bank of India has issued this Formosa bond and listed the issuance on India INX Gift IFSC. Answer is 300 million. Okay, so who won the 2022 Australian Open Women's single title? So answer is Asel Bhatti. Okay, next is, which state has topped India's list in the number of MSME owned by entrepreneur from the scheduled caste? This is Maharashtra. Okay, so next is, PM Narendra Modi has addressed the 30th Foundation Day program of National Commission for Women on January 31. Okay, the next is, Geomara Castro Swan is as the first woman president of which country? So answer is Honduras. Honduras. Okay, Honduras. So next is RBI has imposed several restrictions on Indian mercantile cooperative bank limited, Lucknow, including a cap of rate dash on withdrawals. Answer is 1 lakh on withdrawal. Okay. So next is the government has approved the sale of Nilachal Ispat Nigam Limited. Okay, to which company for 12,100 crores. Okay, so answer is Tata Steel. Okay, government has approved the sale of Nilachal Ispat Nigam Limited. To which company? This is the Tata Steel. So next is the economic survey 2021 to 22 has projected a growth rate of -% for the next financial year ending March 2023. Answer is 8.0 to 8.5%. Okay. So next is our who has won the women's single title at 2022 Odisha Open Badminton Tournament held in Cuttack, Odisha. Answer is Unnati Hooda. Okay. So next is who is the author of the book titled Operation Khatma. Okay. Answer is R.C. Ganjo and Ashwini Bhatnagar. Okay. The next is C-Hut scheme has been launched by which ministry? Ministry of Defense. Right. So next is our which month is being observed as UPI Safety and Awareness Month. Answer is February month. Okay. So name the winner of the World Games Athlete of the Year Award 2021 is PR Sreejas. Okay. Winner of the World Game Athlete of the Year Award. Okay. So next is our which is the first Indian sports establishment to gain unicorn status. So answer is Chennai Super King. Okay, unicorn status. The next is our Pandit Jasraj Cultural Foundation launched by PM Modi is associated to Indian classical music. Okay. So next is Magnus Carlsen beat Fabiano Corona to clinic Tata Steel Chess 2022 title. In which country was the Tata Steel Chess 2022 held? That is the answer is Netherlands. Okay. So next is which company surpassed US chip maker Intel to become the world's leading chip maker by revenue in 2021? That is your Samsung Electronics. Okay. The next is Indian Coast Guard is celebrating its Dash Rising Day on 1 February 2022. So answer is 46th Rising Day. ओके हो गया हमारा 30 क्वेश्चन आज कंप्लीट हो गया. देन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस 30 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, ऐसा ऐसा करके हम टोटल 350 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे फरवरी मंथ का. ठीक है, तो चलिए आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ कर लीजिए एंड लाइक एंड शेयर भी कर लीजिए. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.